Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Gather ingredients on a clean surface and work in a well-ventilated area. This recipe makes about 1 cup of finished slime. Use 1/2 cup white school glue, 1/4 cup shaving cream, and 1 tablespoon lotion. Measure 1/2 cup instant snow powder or 1/4 cup baby powder as the texture base, so the slime will be light and slightly matte like butter slime. Prepare 1/2 TSB borax solution or 1 tablespoon contact lens solution with 1/4 TSB baking soda. Start by pouring the 1/2 cup glue into a mixing bowl and whip in the 1/4 cup shaving cream until fluffy and uniform. Combine glue and shaving cream, then stir in the snow powder 1 spoonful at a time to reach a spreadable, buttery consistency without overdrying. Add activator gradually. Start with 1/4 TSB borax solution and work up until slime pulls cleanly from the bowl. Avoid adding too much at once or it will become rubbery. Knead for 3 to 5 minutes until the texture is smooth and spreadable like softened butter. After achieving a buttery texture, you can knead in color or scent. Add acrylic paint or 2 to 3 drops of fragrance oil and mix thoroughly without overworking. For silkier butter, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil or 1 TSB baby oil while kneading to increase spread and reduce stickiness. Store in an airtight 4 Oz or 8 Oz container and keep below 25 degrees C to preserve softness and prevent sweating. If slime dries, revive with 1 to 3 drops of lotion or a pinch of water and knead until the texture returns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.